Okay, so I was just looking at my weather app here. Pretty cool weather app they got here. A lot of in-depth stuff. Can't do a screen capture. So I'm recording a phone. Just all those red dots there, those are all earthquakes that have happened within the last 6 hours. Most of you have probably heard about the one that happened in Oklahoma. Shit, if it would load. .6 north or west of Fairview. Last 6 hours, one in California. Last 6 hours, small quakes, but they're all along the fault lines, which leads me to believe that the tectonic plates are very active right now. You know, there's a storm system. There's a small earthquake. Couple over close to South Korea, Thailand, and Japan. Here's a bigger one, 4.9. 4.6, and then this, I'm pretty sure this line here is the fault line. Then goes up into Alaska, small one up here, 1.8. Go down here to South America, 4.9. Peru, 4.5. Here's one that's happened 7 to 12 hours ago, 5.10. And then we got one here in Kazakhstan or Afghanistan, 4.2. I'm sure they are causing a lot of ruckus over in the countries that they are taking place in. No idea if there's a tsunami warning in effect. That seems to be a hurricane of some sort. Low pressure system. Yeah, so I guess that's all right now. I mean, West Coast is getting a little weather. Still not letting up over the Gulf of Mexico. We've been getting tornadoes there for a long time now. A couple weeks. We got a hurricane maybe developing off the East Coast, nothing new. And that's about it. Do your research, people. Stop paying attention to all the bullshit. Stop being distracted. The world is changing. Get out of your house. Go look up into the sky.